Time stood still in this former power plant that used to be a symbol of the Industrial Revolution. It was built in the mid-19th century as a part of a huge factory that needed a lot of energy to manufacture all kinds of textile products that were exported worldwide. In its heyday, this facility was one of the largest employers in the region. Come and explore with us this industrial beauty. During Nazi occupation, the whole factory was used as a concentration camp. After World War II, it was reconstructed and continued to operate for years. Unfortunately, its full recovery was not possible due to political reasons and other insolvable business issues. So it kept struggling until bankruptcy was declared, and it was closed after more than 150 years. All the equipment that is left behind makes you feel like this power plant was closed only yesterday. It's because it's been abandoned for only a few years. But it still has the potential to find a new life. Maybe it will be repurposed without losing any of the old architecture.